Creating a rocky garden in your backyard can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil natural retreat. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends and family members. Utilize varying heights by creating terrace with rocks with not only adds visual interest but also helps with a drainage. Terraces can be built using large stones to create natural retreating walls. Winding throughout the garden, use stepping stones or gravel paths lined with smaller rocks to guide visitors through different sections of the rock. Create a focal point with a larger rock formation, a boulder, or a water feature like a small waterfall or pond. This can serve as a centerpiece of your garden. Attract birds by placing bird baths and feeders within your rocky garden. Birds can add life and movement to the garden. So if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Install insect hotels or small piles of logs and leaves to attract beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs with help of pollination and pest control. By now crafting these ideas into rocky garden, you can create visually stunning and low maintenance outdoor space that bring a touch of natural beauty to your backyard. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching.